Welcome back, everybody, to another Back Tire Alex vlog. This weekend is round 2 at Jared's. Right now I'm still in Huntsville, and as you can see, we've got a new bike build. Swapped everything from the Canyon Torque to the Propain Tyee 6. And we're about to go do a shakedown ride. Huge shout out to Evan Salter. He works at Sunset Bicycle in Huntsville, Alabama. I brought it over to Robbie's house and we stripped down my Canyon and then realized that we didn't have anything that we needed to put everything on this frame correctly. So reached out to Evan, and that dude stayed up with us last night till 1 a.m. getting all this sorted out, and she's supposedly ready to roll. So this is going to be the shakedown ride. We're going to go take it down Monte Sano, probably hit full Monte, hit some jumps. This is my first time on a, I don't know what you would call it, a spring or coil suspension. So we're going to try to get that dialed in, hit a lap on the mountain, shake it down, make sure nothing's loose. See how this bad boy feels. The rear suspension already feels different. Excuse me. Oh, but it feels good. She's planted. I think my sag is somewhere around 25% right now, which is kind of money. Oh, brakes definitely still need bedded in. So far she's rolling good though. It's night and day. The rear suspension is night and day from that Vivid. I love the Vivid, like it kept the back tire planted to the ground. Super good for like steep techie stuff. This feels super planted as well, but it also feels like I just have so much more like pop. Like I can just pull it off the ground way easier. Now that Canyon frame, that thing was a tank, so that could have been part of the problem too. I think it was a couple pounds heavier. Is that Chewbacca? Make sure nothing's loose. Everything's solid still. No play in the headset. That's running good. Calipers on there, good. Alright, let's see how she feels on some jumps. Oh, so plush. Try to get a little knack going here. Oh, baby one. Sick. Oh man, it feels so good. Like moving at speed, coming off the lips of those jumps, it just feels like it wants to go, like up. We have made the pedal back to the top, and the bike is running quiet. There's no rattling noises coming from it, which is good. So we're gonna hit full Monte again and then pedal up that way. Probably hit the portal, do that fun little run, and then pedal up closed road and call it good. Let's get another run in. Oh! Try to knack this one. A little rough. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Sweet. Feels good. Brakes still need to bed in a little better, but we don't use those anyways. Boom. We have arrived at the portal. That is not really a fun pedal, but we're here. So let's go hit the portal and then up the closed road we go. Alright, here we go. That's the portal. Legs are kind of cooked. I think we've rode Monte Sano 3 or 4 times this week. My legs are done. And to top it all off, gotta pedal to the top of the mountain now. But yeah, bike's running solid, so we'll see how it holds up in the race tomorrow.